my name is Olivia Whiskey.
Hi, my name is Manacly.
And today we're going to teach you how to go from a low pony to a low bun.
In order to do the low pony, you want to start by parting the hair right down the middle. And I like to do this by taking the comb, the end of the comb from their middle of their nose and draw a line up straight to the forehead to the back of the head. And then I like to damp the hair with some water in a spray bottle just to help slick it back. I also use gel for this. You don't have to, but I really recommend it. And I start gathering it into the low pony. Then I smooth it with a boar bristle brush because it helps keep it nice and tight and sleek down. When you place the ponytail, you don't want to do it right at the bottom of the neck because then it'll get too droopy. Also, hairspray, that's really important. And you'll want to pin up the sides because those baby hairs tend to fall out. And as for the bun portion of this, you want to twist the hair and go around. Take U-pins and go out and down into the bun, and this will help secure it and make it tight to the head. And like I said, doing the ponytail lower will also help this from drooping. And that's it.